Chevrolet tomorrow, too.
Oh, Dan, so close. He has got to be over the 290. I'll tell you what, it looks like he was going to float right out the end. Dan Harber is going to drop that distance, or we're going to change the sled. We're going to change the sled. We're going to tighten it up a bit. Change the gear or add some weight. We've changed the weight transfer. We're ready to go again. 3 beers out of Winchester, Virginia. The 1982 Chevrolet 630 cubic inches. Dan, that is one big engine.
That is a lot of engine. There's no doubt about it. Once again, John, it's a Chevrolet engine, too.
Oh, yes. We've got some Pontiacs in Chevrolets, believe it or not. And one of them is coming up. Bob Smith, Winchester, Virginia. Whoa! Gentlemen, is this man a former Grand National champion or what? We tightened it up. He makes it look so easy. Dave Moss, quick change out of Zeeland, Michigan.
Oh, it's going to be a decision, John. It's going to be a decision.
And as we look at that man, he did not make it. And this is one of the Michigan top pullers. He was going so fast, I thought 315 easy. Don Grant, rags to riches. He's a cement contractor out of Greenwood, Indiana. Indiana. Not too bad. I thought he had a good shot. The mind boggler, Dan Harber.
We're looking for a green light. We see a flag down there. All we're waiting for is the lights and the transfer. You got him. It's all up to Daniel now. Which way he's going to go and how far she's going to stop.
Down at the end, remember we set the weight transfer. Ron Engel out of Kokomo, Indiana. It's a 1986 Chevrolet, 604 cubic inches. The Saturday night special, past Hoosier State pulling circuit champion. Can this be the man that ties for the lead, or is the man from Winchester going to take it all? We'll find out. Ron Engel. Oh, and it looks like we might have lost a little bit on the left bank. We're pumping some major smoke out of there. We go over here right now. We unlock the lock-in at the front differential on the left side, but they've got some problems inside that motor. Pulling four-wheel division. Big red. John Stapleton, he hustled it down there. I thought he had a shot down at taking it out.
I'm telling you what, John, he had her wound. I thought he was going to go too.
290 feet and looks like 5 inches. 290 feet, 5 inches. Carl Staples out of Shawboro, North Carolina. It's a 1990 Chevrolet. 604 cubic inches. Is that one beautiful looking truck? We were talking to Carl earlier, and he gave us a lot of nice compliments. He looked at the tape of our earlier pull and took a look at the facilities, and I'll tell you, we had a nice talk, and Carl gave us nothing but good compliments, and we really appreciate that out of Carl. So his first time east, normally he doesn't come east to, or actually west from him. He doesn't come west too much. From Scarborough, North Carolina, his first trip into Indiana, and we hope it's going to be a very pleasurable trip, so to speak.
Thanks for coming.
Give Carl Staples a big hand. Looking good, risky business.
And we're
Dave
going to
Closser.
see very shortly what he's going to be
Out of
after we speak.
Alexandria, Indiana.
All right.
Oh! Right. Is this guy bad or is he bad? All right. I want to see the laser measurement on this one. He's got to have a full
Oh,
book.
it's
If he don't have one, let's give it to him anyhow.
no, let's not even talk that way.
No,
He's
hey.
going to have it, though. I'm pretty sure. It looks
Come
like it from
on,
up here.
laser man. Put that measurement in front of my hands.
Coming up, coming up, coming up.
What's the number on the Kelly Chevrolet scoreboard? If it comes up 3, he's got a full pole. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a tie for the lead. The Winchester, Virginia man is taken to the wall. John Flannery, excellence in motion from Eden, New York. 1991, brand new 650 cubic inch Chevrolet. Whoa! It's going to be close, Dan. I don't know.
It's going to be close. They're saying a little ways away, about 298, I think. Huh?
Excellence in motion. James Bosch, the Midnight Raider out of West Island, Michigan. He's been a winner here before. 572 cubic inches. Oh, Dan, I thought he was... I tell you, these guys are coming so close.